In this video, we're going to be solving linear differential equation. Excuse me. So, how do I know that it's linear? Interesting. Okay, how do I know that it's linear? So, to check if it's linear, homogeneous, or Bernoulli, you have to simplify it. Then you'll see if it's linear or Bernoulli or exact or homogeneous. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna group the like terms. You have got cot x dy equals to, you see there, the like terms are dx. There's a common factor there, which is dx. So I'm gonna group the dx on the right hand side. You will have cot x times 3e sine x plus y dx. This is my answer, my expected answer. Obviously, this has been solved already. This is my expected answer. Okay. Then, remember to write the dx there. Then, I'm going to factor out dx. I'm going to factor out dx since it's a common factor. Then I'll have cot x times 3e to the power of sine x, right, plus y. Okay, then now I will find dy over dx. Okay, so dy over dx will be equals to, obviously I'll divide both sides by cot x. So I swap, I take this one this side, then take cot x to that side. Okay, or let me do it the long way. Let me do it the long way so that you can get it. So you've got dy, which is equals to dx cot x times 3e sine x plus y, close bracket, then you divide both sides by cot x. Okay, you divide both sides by cot x, and then now I want to remove that dx, so I multiply both sides by dx. Okay, then after multiplying both sides by dx, I'll be left with dy over dx, which is equals to cot x times 3e sine x plus y, all divided by cot x. Okay, then I'm gonna divide them separately. Remember that this is one equation, then this is also a separate equation. Then I'm gonna split that into two. You'll have cot x times 3e sine x divided by cot x plus y over cot x. Okay, then this are gonna cancel, obviously. Then dy over dx will be equals to 3e sine x plus y, open bracket, 1 over cot x, 1 over cot x. Okay, let me write on the side there. Let me write on the side. So 1 over cot x, 1 over cot x is equals to tan x. Okay, so you'll see that this is our linear equation. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's a linear equation. Okay, so our linear equation, the original equation for linear equation, is dy over dx plus p of x y equals to q of x. So it will get there. As you can see, if I take this whole thing to the right hand side, to the left hand side rather, If I transpose that to the right hand side, I will have dy over dx minus y open bracket tan x. I already solved 1 over cot, which is tan x. Then you'll have 3e sine x. This is your q, because your q, they told you that your q should be a function of x. Then also your p is this one. P should be a function of x, and then you've got y there. You've got y there. You've got a y there. Okay. Then also you've got your y, but that should be a positive. That should be a positive. So we're gonna write it nicely. So dy over dx plus, they told you that it should be a positive. It's a plus y outside and then minus tan x, which is equals to 3e sine x. Okay, so now it's in that format. Now it's in that format. Remember, your p can be a minus, but your y cannot be a minus. Okay, since it's a linear equation, then now we have to use the two formulas. Formula number one is that one. Then number two, it's y equals to e to the power minus integral of p dx open bracket q integral of q e to the power of integration of p dx. So we're gonna use these two formulas. The first one is to make sure that your equation is linear. Then the second one, you're gonna substitute. Okay, so the second one, they told you that you have to find the integral factor. You have to integrate p dx. Okay, so integration of p dx is minus tan x dx, which is equals to, so you're going to integrate this. When you integrate this, you're going to get minus ln sec of x, minus ln sec of x. So that's how you're going to integrate that. You can confirm using your formula sheet if the integration of tan is equals to 1. Okay, then we're gonna substitute back to the original equation. You'll have y equals to e to the power of minus open bracket minus ln sec x. Okay, so remember this. Remember, our original was equals to sorry, let me remove this. Okay, so our original had a minus there, and when you take it to the other side, it's going to be a positive y. Okay, then we took it back. When we took it back, it was a negative y. It was a negative y again. Okay, so you've got that, then open bracket integration of q, which is 3e to the power of sine x times e to the power of minus ln sec x dx. Okay, so now let's check this. Remember, e and e, they're gonna cancel, right? E and e, they're gonna cancel, and also e and ln are gonna cancel also. Then you'll be left with y equals to sec x. Okay, and then integration of 3e sine x times. Remember, when you cancel this, you'll have that negative will come there. That's the logarithmic functions. That's the logarithmic functions. So minus ln sec x is the same as sec arc of x. It's the same as that, which is equals to 1 over sec x. And then 1 over sec x is equals to 1 over, sorry, not 1 over, is equals to cos x. Okay, so that will be equals to cos x. I already solved that. Is equals to cos x dx. Remember, sec x is equals to 1 over cos x. Y will be equals to 1 over cos x. Okay, integral of. So look at this. Remember the formula that we did on the previous session? You had f prime of x there, and then you've got f of x there. So you're gonna have to take that down. Let's solve this step first. Okay, so you have the integration of 3e sine x, which is f of x cos x times cos x dx. Remember the original equation for integrating the logarithmic function, which is your e. You have e f of x, right, times f prime of x dx. So this will give you e f of x divided by f prime of x. Okay, then plus c, obviously. So in this case, we're gonna identify our f of x. F of x is equal to sine x. Then the f prime of that will be equal to cos x. Is it the same as this one, the original equation? You see there, that's your original f prime x. Then this one I normally refer to d over dx, the one that I found using my f of x. It should be the same as that one. They should always be the same. They should always be the same. They should always be the same. So d over dx and the f prime that is original from the equation, they should always be the same. So we're gonna say 3e sine x times cos x. So they told you that the integration of this should be equals to e f of x divided by that f prime that I found. I'm gonna divide it by pink f prime, this one that I found. This one is that one. Then the original one is this one, which is that. They should cancel. They should cancel. There's alternative methods that you can use. So here it means you're gonna be left with 3e sine x. That's how you integrate e. You can use the u method if you like. You can use the u method. Okay, so y will be equals to cos x open bracket 3e sine x plus c. So you can multiply in if you want to. You can multiply in that cos x. You can multiply it in, and that's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you solve that question. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll leave my details on the description below. Also, please remember to join our WhatsApp group chat and our free live sessions every Thursday and Tuesday. Thank you for watching.